Hello, we are ready for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 5. Here we go. We're going to review our sounds. We're just going to say the sounds today. All, ch, an, sh, am, w, th, or th, a, I, ah, k, v. Great job saying those with me. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to read a story. Now, we read this story last week, and that's okay. It's okay to read a story more than once. This story is called Mac and Bugs. All right, get your reader voices ready. Here we go. Mac is not a fan of bugs. Not one bit. If a bug gets on Mac's bed, Mac gets mad. Mac yells at the bug, "Get off this bed, you big bad bug!" If the bug does not go, Mac yells for his dad. If dad is not there, Mac runs. All right, this time we're going to read it one more time. This time, let's read it in a whisper voice. Are you ready? Here we go. Mac and Bugs. Mac is not a fan of bugs. Not one bit. If a bug gets on Mac's bed, Mac gets mad. Mac yells at the bug, "Get off this bed, you big bad bug!" If the bug does not go, Mac yells for his dad. If dad is not there, Mac runs. Great job reading. All right, now we're going to talk about who are the characters in this story. Mac is one of them. Good job. Who's the other character? The bug, right? Yeah. And there's one more. Dad. Great job. All right. Now I want you to think about this setting. What does setting mean? It means where does the story take place? So where are they? They're in Mac's room, right? So it's probably in a house, right? And yeah, they're talking about the bug being where? On his bed. So that tells us that it's in his room. All right, what happened first in the story? The bug gets on Mac's bed, right? And he gets really what? He gets super mad. Yeah. What happens in the middle of the story, or what happened next? Mac yells at the bug and he tells him what? Get off my bed, right? And then does the bug listen? No. And if the bug doesn't get off, what does he go do? He goes and tells his dad, or he what? He runs. He gets out of the room. He does not like bugs. I don't like bugs either. Do you like bugs? I'm not a fan. My son likes bugs, though. Not me. All right. Today we have some dictations that we're going to be doing today. So I need you to pause the video, and I need you to either go get a whiteboard and your marker out, or I need you to get a piece of paper out. All right, pause the video and go do that. And then when you get back, push play. All right, you should be ready. Okay, your first sound that I want you to do is I want you to write down the sound the letter that says J. J. Pause it if you need a little more time. Our second sound is ch, 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 ch. What says ch? Write it. Pause the video if you need more time. Our third sound is ah. Write the letter that says ah. If you need more time, pause the video. All right, now we have our first word. Your first word is mall. Let's tap it together. All, mall. Okay, I want you to write it and mark it up. All right, our second word is thin. What's the word? Thin. Let's tap it together. In, thin. Write it. Don't forget to mark it up. Pause the video if you need more time. We're going to go ahead and go on. Our next word is lips. What's the word? Lips. Let's tap it. O-ip, lip, lips. All right, go ahead and write it and mark it up. If you need more time, pause the video. All right, our next word is chips. Let's tap it. Ch-ip, chip, chips. Chips. Write the word chips and mark it up. If you need more time, pause the video. All right, now we're ready for a trick word. All right, I want you to write this trick word down. And. Write the word and. It's a trick word, so you don't need to mark it up. Pause the video if you need more time. Our next word is she. What's the word? She. Go ahead and write the word she. Remember, it's a trick word, so you don't need to mark it up. Pause the video if you need more time. All right, now you're ready to write a sentence. Here's your sentence. She sits here on the deck. Say it with me. She sits here on the deck. Go ahead and write it. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Don't forget your finger spaces between your words. I'll say the sentence again. She sits here on the deck. She sits here on the deck.